So now let's see and talk about the basic recording options inside of Camtasia Recorder. So once I hit record, you actually get this recorder window just like this. And over here you see the screen right here. And there's a lot of options right here. So let us just go to screen. So this one was what we looked in the previous lesson. So it's about recording the screen itself. So I can choose particular area as we talked about last time, just like that. Over here on the right side, you have camera. So I don't have any camera plugged in right now, but you can choose whether you want to turn on or off your camera. So let's say, for example, you got a webcam and you want to show your face while you're speaking out, and then you can actually turn on the camera. And what happens is that your voice, the recorded input, okay, is attached on with your webcam video so that you can move around while you're editing it out. Makes it very easy to edit in later go. And then there's the microphone over here, as you can see. So you can go around, turn the microphone off, or you can turn it on if you want the recorded audio. And you can also go over here and choose the microphone that you want to record with. Sometimes what happens is that you might be recording, but you might not hear any voice out. It may be because you aren't choosing the right microphone that you want to use. So in my case, I'm just using line in. And over here, you got the microphone volume, which you can bring up, but as it reaches the red mark, it actually distorts out a bit. So you want to keep it somewhere below so that your voice does not get distorted, because later in editing, you can increase out the volume anyways. The other option right here is the system volume, so system audio. So what happens is that there's a system audio effect and everything else like error noises and everything. If you want that to be recorded, then you can turn the system audio on and it'll be recorded out in a separate layer, just like that. So now I can simply go over here and hit the record button just like this. And what happens is that it starts getting recorded. So the countdown is there and everything that is happening right here is getting recorded. And you can stop it out right over here, and there you go. So Camtasia recorded it in 60 frames per second. I'm just going to leave it as it is and press continue just like this. And you can see that everything that I did has been recorded over here. So the top layer, as you can see right here, is the webcam layer. So it is recorded out separately. So you want to, let's say, for example, keep your webcam at the top. You can just keep it right out just like this. You can resize it out as well and edit it. So you can go around here and you can see that the webcam layer is different. It's on track 2 and the system video is on track 1, and all of the system audio, if it is played, will be recorded out here. So you can work around with the audio separately just like this. And those are how you work with the basic recorder settings inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.